Coal India reports weaker than expected fourth quarter results. Profits are down 5% at 4,013 crore rupees. S. Narsingh Rao, the chairman of Coal India, said he was bullish about the growth in the coming quarters.
We are quite optimistic that we should be able to achieve the target. As I speak to you today, we have a growth rate of 5.9% against asking rate of 6.5. Roughly, we are expecting ourselves to supply anywhere between aggregate between 60 to 65% of the LOA quantity from our sources if all goes well according to our plans. That is the difference between 80 and 60, 65, whatever is about 15% likely shortfall will be there. That we may have to import if they want to be imported by us.
The management may be bullish about future, but the last quarter didn't go down that well for Coal India. And ET Now's Gargi Parekh now joins us from the research desk to take us through the analysis. Gargi, what really went wrong with the company's numbers?
Well, Coal India has posted net profit below what we estimated for the fourth quarter. They've posted 4,013 crores versus 4,221. This is on a year-on-year basis comparison. Look at the sales numbers, which have actually surprised on the positive front. 19,400 crores versus about 15,004 crores. A good uptick that we've seen in the sales numbers. Operating margins, however, is taking a steep cut. 19% versus 33%. The operational performance, let me say, has been much below what we estimated. The revenue rise that we spoke about is mainly on the back of better volumes. Realizations, I believe, have really surprised on the positive front. The offtake is about 112.8 million tons. That's versus 114 million tons. A slight uptick that we've seen there, but realizations, have seen a huge surge. I believe it is the e-auction prices which have really supported the realizations. Also, there was a minor price hike that the company had effected, mainly when they were trying to shift to the GCV mechanism, pricing mechanism. If you look at the operational level, it is the high employee costs. The employee costs have almost doubled from last year levels. About 9,100 crores is what they've posted this time around. It's almost a 100% jump that we are seeing. Also, there has been an exceptional gain of 45.8 crores, a slight improvement from last year levels. The other income, which is mainly derived from their interest income, has also almost doubled from last year's. More than 2,000 crores is what they've posted this time around. But the bottom line has disappointed this time, which has been way below what we estimated.